This is a potential short trade setup for Spotify Technologies. Right here, we're right at the gap here. Back tested it, and this would provide an objective entry short down to that first target of 155.88 for a 10% drop. This is a gap here. I'm pretty sure you guys heard the news as far as really Joe Rogan is the one of the biggest components of Spotify's business. Somebody had compiled years and years of 3-hour podcasts, watching him use that word, and he's under fire. I believe this could be, a pretty critical moment for investors that are in Spotify. Here we have Dwayne Rock Johnson, was a pretty good friend of Rogan, and looks like he's starting to hedge himself here. Thank you so much for this. I hear you as well, 0 and 100%. I was not aware of his N-word use prior to my comments, but now I've become educated. It's a complete narrative learning moment for me. So we'll see what happens. As far as this is a website that compiles the viewerships of socialblade.com, and if you're a Spotify investor, as far as keeping up with the earnings call and all the action that's going on between them, this would be your best indicator, I believe. One of the bigger indicators, aside from chart technicals, where you've got your subscribers, you got your views. Looks like views are up on the 8th on Saturday, so definitely there's a lot going on here. But this is a real good tool to use, and if you start to see some of these cracking down here, then there's going to be some pretty good problems, I think, as far as investors that are in Spotify, and the traders of Spotify are going to start to hit the brakes. We did put in a divergent low. We had a lot of people buying Spotify. I know Rogan's audience is really, I want to say, combined viewership bigger than all mainstream outlets combined. So that's where a lot of investors started coming in. Now for the bullish case, hey, this is your support. That 155.88 is big support. And if we crack that, that's going to put in a sell signal. Plenty of reaction to validate it. We did put in on the monthly. This is the monthly candles here. Each candle representing a month. We put in a dark cloud cover right here. This very bearish pattern. Very bearish. And again, the longer term charts usually outpower or outweigh the near term charts. So it's a good thing to keep an eye on. On the 5-hour, we also put in a 3 black crow pattern. So something to keep an eye on. Objective entry short right here. You get stopped out here. I'd get stopped out. Some small, maybe take a half position. Get stopped out at that 177.37, or if you want to wait for the top of the gap for another short entry objective at 188.62, but 155.88, and I can guarantee that you will see panic in traders, and you will see a rush for the exits, and that's when things start to get real pretty bad, especially a break below here. 141, call it 150. If we don't whipsaw right back above, there's going to be some big issues in Spotify market cap.